Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add your Google account to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. There. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, you can follow the steps and add your Google account. And also by Google account, when you do that, it will also you have those contacts from your Google account here as well. And it will be on your iPhone. So to set it up, go to Settings. And here, let me go back. Okay, when you go back here, you need to find the Mail app, which is here in the app section under M. So you can do that or just simply search for it. When you do that, tap on Add Account. You can put your email here or choose from a list here. You will see all these provider. You can also follow the same step to add Outlook, Yahoo, AI, iCloud, anything. So I select Google account and it wants you to open the browser, do it, and it will take you to this page. Now just write your email. Let me write my email here. Tap next and just put in your password. I don't know what my password is. Just put it there, click next, and it might ask you for a code on the existing phone, and that's it. That's how you can add to your Google account to your iPhone 17. Let me know if it works, and thank you for watching.